thank you for watching. This video is to let you know why I decided to do the big chop on my hair. I cut my hair. Actually, this is my second big chop. I did a big chop many years ago, probably about 15 years ago. And then I wanted my hair to fall, like, you know, hang. And so I started using a mild relaxer. When I used the mild relaxer, it did do its job and made my hair hang. The pH balance on a mild relaxer is less than the pH balance on a regular relaxer or a strong relaxer. Even if it's a kitty perm relaxer's pH balance is 13, which is the same pH balance that is in liquid Drano. So think about that for a moment. But I got away from relaxers because a lot of relaxer companies were going out of business because a lot of women started to go natural and started embracing their natural beauty. And so it was harder and harder for me to find a mild relaxer. Every 12 weeks, because I didn't do the 8-week cycle, I would wait 12 weeks and I would do a relaxer 12 to 20 weeks. And I didn't like depending on a chemical to get the look that I wanted. And I also noticed that my natural hair was much more thick and it was stronger. And if it stayed too long in its natural state, it would break off the relaxed hair. And so I said, why don't I just go back to going natural again? So I did another big chop. So I went natural again, July 3rd or 4th of 2016. And I did the big chop once again. I cut all the relaxed hair off of my natural hair. And that was my second time going natural. It is a little bit more challenging learning natural hairstyles because I've never been natural. All my life I've had a relaxer. I've had my hair straightened, you know, with a straightening comb, with a flat iron. So I've never actually dealt with my own natural hair until my adulthood. So this was a learning experience. I like it. I love how full it is. The fullness, you cannot beat the fullness that you get with natural hair. It's so different. Relaxed hair will change the color of your hair. It'll lighten it just a little bit, but it will lighten it. And it also changes the texture of your hair and it weakens it. And I don't want anything to weaken me. Something that you don't really, you think about but you don't think about. It's in the back of your mind. Why do I have to weaken myself to conform to what I believe or I thought society wanted? It's not what I thought society wanted. It was probably how I grew up, how I was raised, and how everybody else thought society wanted their hair. But when it comes down to it, and depending on what field or professional field that you go into, natural hair is very accepted. And you accepting yourself, and that's really the bottom line.